I've come on to do a VR for Andrea, the Cumbrian crafter. So she's having a giveaway on her YouTube channel for her 4-year YouTube anniversary. She's also reached 1,000 subscribers, and this month, I think it was back on the 7th of July, it was her birthday. All the details are obviously on her giveaway video, and I will leave a link in the description box below to her channel. And rather appropriately, I am making a felted toadstool. So I'm making these little things here. It's actually part of a bigger project, so I'm making this toadstool fairy. And if you know Andrea's channel, then you will know that she loves toadstools, so I thought this was kind of appropriate for that. I have already done the fairy's head, which I showed to my sister on the phone. She said it looked like I should be holding it over a campfire, as it looked like marshmallow. And I've also started the legs as well. But I did want to just come on and do one of these little felted mushrooms or toadstools while I did the VR for Andrea, and give all the details out for that, so you can pop over there and take part in her giveaway. It's finished, and I think that's going to be just about the right size. So it does say 2 to 3 centimetres, and it's 2 centimetres. And if you look at the picture, she is holding one, and there's also one on this like mossy log, which you make out of this. So that does look about the right size to me. Obviously it's not going to stand up on its own. There we go. Yeah, so I've also done the legs and the head, as I showed you earlier. So it's coming along nicely. I will leave a link to Andrea's channel in the description box below, so please do pop over, take a look at her videos, and of course her giveaway. And until next time, cheerio.